In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install iCloud for Windows. By the end, you'll have iCloud set up on your PC and know exactly where to find your files and photos. Before we begin, make sure your computer is running Windows 10 or later, you can access the Microsoft Store, you have an Apple ID, and you're connected to the internet. With that in place, let's get started. First, download iCloud for Windows from the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store app on your PC, then use the search bar to look for iCloud for Windows. When you see it, click Get or Install. The store will handle the download for you. This can take a few moments depending on your connection speed, so let it finish completely before moving on. If you're asked to sign into the store, use your Microsoft account so the app can be added to your library. Once the download completes, the installation usually starts automatically. If you see a prompt, click Install and accept any permissions so Windows can set up the app correctly. When it's done, you'll find iCloud in your Start menu or your list of installed apps ready to open. Now, sign in to iCloud. Launch iCloud for Windows and enter your Apple ID and password. If two-factor authentication is enabled, you'll be prompted for a verification code sent to a trusted device. Enter that code to continue. This step links your PC with your Apple account so your content can sync securely. After signing in, choose what you want to sync. You'll see options like iCloud Drive for your files, photos for your pictures and videos, mail, contacts, and calendar, and items like passwords or bookmarks, depending on what you use. Select the features that matter to you, then click Apply to confirm. You can always come back later to adjust these choices if your needs change. With setup complete, access your content right from File Explorer. Open File Explorer, and you'll notice two new entries: iCloud Drive and iCloud Photos. iCloud Drive works like a regular folder. Drag files in to upload them to iCloud and access them across your Apple devices. iCloud Photos lets you view and download your photos and videos on your PC. Depending on how much you have in your library, the first sync may take some time. That's normal, and it will continue in the background while you work. And that's it. You've downloaded iCloud for Windows, installed it, signed in, picked what to sync, and learned where to find everything on your PC. Enjoy a smoother workflow with your files and photos available wherever you need them.